The success of collaboration is showcased at Laser World of Photonics, and we are showcasing collaborations between our members. I'm here with the CEOs of VLC Photonics and ficonTEC. Iñigo Artundo, Torsten, Vahrenkamp, thank you for having me. I see a machine from ficonTEC with the brand of VLC Photonics. What did you bring to Laser World of Photonics this year?
Well, thank you, Jose. Thanks for passing by. Actually, this is a beautiful machine that will be commissioned very soon to VLC Photonics after the show. And this is a collaboration with ficonTEC for many years. The intention is to provide, as VLC Photonics has been doing for many years, a fully automated die-level testing with this tool, with the extension of also doing fiber pigtailing for assemblies. So the beauty of this is that after doing the fully automated die-level testing, both optical and electrical, with DC and RF probes as well, potentially if it's a non-good die, you can also do the fiber pigtailing on a chip or chip-on-carrier. And that has been a very flexible tool that we have co-developed with ficonTEC over the last months.
And actually, I'm very, very happy to have this collaboration with you. And we see the numbers of chips and wafers increasing dramatically for the whole photonics industry. And that this is showcases one of our systems where we see really the increasing throughput, and VLC has done an excellent job in speccing this machine for their needs as test services, because this machine you load and the machine runs fully automatically. There's no manual intervention anymore. The machine is doing everything by itself. So at the end you get a complete protocol, what the chips, about the chips, what the chips have, what kind of chips characteristics you have. And we see that right now in many different areas in the industry, and that's what we are working on. What keeps us up at night.
The success is in the collaboration. Soon we will go to Valencia to see this machine operating live. Stay tuned. This is going to be a busy summer for Optica.